Today we will see how to increase or decrease the volume of a video. For example, here I have different videos for an online course that I recorded on my computer, and if I open a video, you will hear the sound is very low.
Welcome to Module 6, Networking and
So here you heard the sound is very low. So what I do to increase audio volume is to download, first of all, the application Shotcut. It's open source and free to download and to work with. Once it's done and installed on your computer, simply drag and drop your videos from your Windows Explorer to the playlist here. And once that's the case, select the videos, drag and drop it over the timeline, put it at the beginning of the timeline. And once the audio volume, the audio levels are visible here on the timeline, make sure you've selected the right video and we can increase or decrease the volume. So to do that, we will go in the Filters tab. From the Filter tab, click on Add a Filter. And here we will select the Gain Volume filter. Now, by default, we are at level 0. If we drag this from to the left, we will decrease audio volume. And if we drag it to the right, we will increase audio volume. I will just reset it and show you what's happening when I play the video.
Welcome to Module 6, Networking and Personal Branding, our final module.
So you can see on the right side, I have the audio level visible when I play the video. What we want to do is to increase this audio volume to the top, but we don't want to saturate the sound. So we'll make sure that we don't go in the red level, but we stay in what we can hear on the video. So in my case, as we will see, it's around 15 decibel increase, but it depends on your video, on the audio level you had when you recorded, it depends on your own settings. I will just show you my example and you have to find what works for you. So first of all, let's just see what happens when we decrease the volume.
Networking is one of the most valuable skills in business.
As we can see, we decrease the volume and now we hear nothing, which is, of course, expected. But if you have saturated audio, you might use it to decrease the audio volume of a video. Now, we are here to increase the volume. So if we go back to default level, we'll increase gradually until we get the audio level to the maximum without saturating the sound.
Professional networking. How to optimize your profile and connect with others on the world's largest professional.
As we've seen here, when we reached, or more than, as we heard, when we increase the audio volume to the maximum, we saturated the sound. So we will go down gradually or go up from the default value to keep the volume in the green zone and not having any saturated sound. And we will see in my example, it's around 15 decibels.
Network. These skills will help you build a strong professional reputation and open doors to new opportunities. Let's start with networking at conferences. Conferences, trade shows, and industry events are perfect opportunities to build your.
So as we can see here, with this increase of 15 decibels, now we are staying in the green zone. This is done. We can now export our video and the sound will be increased to the desired level. So we go to the File menu, then select Export, then Export Video Audio. You can also use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+E. Then enter a name for your file, and the job will be queued. So for example, here I have 7 videos pending. So 2 are already done, and I have 5 more videos pending job. So audio increase volume for the video and saving on the computer. All this on Shotcut, a free Windows application to download an open source project.